read the judge and told us up I did. My rappers living movies, bitch, I'm speaking real life. Better time to live in Christ, so it's time to get it right. Look at how power up on weed. Everything that I do now, I'm aiming to succeed. And I don't fuck with new niggas, I got the same team. Fuck with these niggas' faces I never seen. From my hood, bitch, don't even come around. I keep a bad bitch. With nothing but killers, man, they'll gun you down. You talking about Tonnie. Use the crawler with revolvers if you face down. Couple hollow tips hit you from your face down. Pussy nigga playing with me, bet I gun him down. I caught up on my hunting dogs, dog, they'll hunt you down. Heavenly Father, please protect me through all this shit I'm going through, man. Nigga, it seems like I got the whole world on my shoulders, man. Everybody wanna bring a real nigga down. Shit get crazy, man. Shit get dark. But I keep my head high to the most high, you feel me? T-Band. I got so many niggas hating on me. Even my rhymes turned around, they changed faces on me. Family switched out, but I won't let that break me down. My hustling habits is the reason why they hate me now. Man, this shit get deeper when you speak the truth. So Heavenly Father, please forgive me what I'm about to do. Cause I've been blowing on some shit, had me up in this booth. I'm caught up in my feelings, man, I'm about to hear the truth. Like how my mama never did shit but just fade away. Back in the days you with us when she favored them J. Daddy stayed on crack, I had to perfect my hustle skills. I was thrown in this world, all these niggas either rob or kill. Damn, what the fuck you expect from a nigga that was some wild shit? Never had a childhood, brought up on some savage shit. The distance from my family has got me going ham. And now my son is distant, man, it's got me in a daze. Them niggas in the phase, got me in a different page. Got me wanna load up on some shit and let this shit blaze. Leave them in the grave, fuck it, it's whatever. Them niggas say it, they bigger, but never been the type of nigga that step up to the paint when they come out to the issue. Niggas not had nowadays, they talking like they was with it. I'm really in it, them niggas tripping, I'm really gifted. What about this shit that I be kicking, I'm really lifted. Matter of fact, I'm livid, them niggas bitches, they playing with it. How I show them by issues, them niggas really with it. And if you is, then step up to it, nigga, let's get it. Cause I ain't got no words for these fuck niggas nowadays, I'm trying to get paid. Lord, I'm so tired of this shit, man.